Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet and number. Purple, silver, red, sky blue, parrot green, orange. Alphabet A. Say with me A. B. Say with me B. C. Say with me C. D. Say with me D. E. Say with me E. F. Say with me F. G. Say with me G. H. Say with me H. I. Say with me I. J. Say with me J. K. Say with me K. L. Say with me L. M. Say with me M. N. Say with me N. O. Say with me O. P. Say with me P. Q. Say with me Q. R. Say with me R. S. Say with me S. T. Say with me T. U. Say with me U. V. Say with me V. W. Say with me W. X. Say with me X. Y. Say with me Y. Z. Say with me Z. Number 1. Say with me 1. 2. Say with me 2. 3. Say with me 3. 4. Say with me 4. 5. Say with me 5. 6. Say with me 6. 7. Say with me 7. 8. Say with me 8. 9. Say with me 9. 10. Say with me 10. 11. Say with me 11. 12. Say with me 12. 13. Say with me 13. 14. Say with me 14. 15. Say with me 15. 16. Say with me 16. 17. Say with me 17. 18. Say with me 18. 19. Say with me 19. 20. Say with me 20. 21. Say with me 21. 22. Say with me 22. 23. Say with me 23. 24. Say with me 24. 25. Say with me 25. 26. Say with me 26. 27. Say with me. 27. 28. Say with me. 28. 29. Say with me. 29. 30. Say with me. 30.
Subscribe
Subscribe for more videos.